guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. I'm super excited about this one. We have 2 collections this week along with 2 monthlies, a wiggle, and then 4 different foil releases. And I am just super excited to show you guys. If you guys can hear silhouettes in the background, people are working. I mentioned this a lot, but I always just feel the need to mention it again. So let's go ahead and go through the foil items first. So we do have a wiggle this week. The first thing here is the wiggle. It is in the same format the last ones have been. I figure we'll get out all the heart ones just in case you wanted to use these with Valentine's, but honestly I feel like hearts are kind of universal and the hearts are only on a couple of the pages. So like I have mentioned before, I like the idea of using this as a like full spread of foil and then doing like a second spread with like mixed metals. So I feel like that's a really great way to do it. So you could definitely, if you want to omit the hearts and then use, just like the bows and the scripts and the icons and then, the bougies, you totally could as well. But I love this heart format and I can't wait to use it with all of my Valentine's Day kits. So this color is called Valentine's. It's a really pretty pink. It's like a magenta-y pink sparkle. I love it. And it is in the format that we've had for the past couple of weeks. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And it'll be on special pricing for 48 hours. So we do have the normal sheets here, and then you do get 6 of these sheets. So you have plenty of headers and full boxes for, like I said, your spread, and then like a mixed metals spread after it, or you could do like multiple mixed metals spread, which would be really cool. So this again is called Valentine's, and then I do have a note on this one that some of the pages will have like a little like fleck of blue, like a little teeny tiny fleck, but it just wipes off. So I'll also put that in the listing as well. Usually, like, even if you see, like, if the pink has, like, a little bit of extra pink, foil does wipe off of the areas that it wasn't meant to stick on. But I just wanted to go ahead and mention that for you guys, just in case you see, like, a little blue speck, you can just wipe it off and it'll come off. So that is the wiggle this week. Then we do have, like I said, 4 releases for foil. Normally we only have 3, but I feel like these ones all kind of went together. So I do have some wedding deco. So I've done a couple different little deco pages. These are great to mark things if you want to put them in like a half box or a quarter box, but they're also great for putting on full boxes as extra like full box deco because they're just kind of simple and sweet and they'll match a lot of things. So they come in all 4 foils if you want to pick those up, and they are just kind of like wedding lovey-dovey foils. Then we also have some love quotes. So you have 4 quotes here. These are full box overlays and they are super adorable. They come in all 4 foils as well. And then we do have a wedding bucket list. So let me go ahead and show you the silver. So you have a ton of things on here. I said yes, invitations, mail invites, engagement party, bridal, shower, flowers, cake tasting, makeup trial, write vows, wedding errand, visit venue, engagement suit, marriage, engagement shoot, marriage license, food tasting, bachelorette party, dress shopping, said yes to the dress, so cute, dress fitting, rings, work on guest list, book music, choose first dance song, seating chart, write thank yous, create registry, walk down the aisle, exchange rings, we're married, first dance, cut the cake, time to party, and first look. So there are a ton of different things on here. So we do have that. It's a really big, nice sheet. I wish I had that whenever I got married. And then we also have, so that one, I think I'm just going to call it the I do sheet or something like that, and then this one's gonna be the attendee. So I haven't seen anyone else do, I've seen like obviously wedding bucket lists since the beginning of time, but I haven't seen any like attendee lists. So these are if you're attending a wedding. Obviously like most of these don't really pertain to people attending a wedding. So this one says cocktail hour, the ceremony, eat some cake, they said I do, sign guest book, dinner time, buy wedding outfit, time to dance, take photos, send off the happy couple, and buy wedding gift. You could also use some of these if you are obviously the bride or the groom, but I think that these are a little bit more towards the attendee. So I thought that was really cute. It comes in all 4 foils. Let's go into the kits this week. I do have 2 monthly kits to show you guys, both featuring exclusive art. I had been taking like a little break from doing monthlies. I just feel like I was uninspired and I was like really trying hard to find art that like I didn't have in kits to use, and it's just like the art world, I feel like there hasn't been a ton recently, so I just decided to do some popular art in monthlies for you guys. So this one here is the Netflix and Chill, but a monthly version, which is super cute. And then this one is size for the new Erin Condren, so you don't have to trim it. I do have marked in the listings all of the old ones have like on the top it says like that they're for the old ones and you'd have to trim them if you're using the new Erin Condren. So that is the first one, and there is the option if you want to add on the deco sidebar, which is the bathtub scene, or if you want to add on the functional sidebar, which is just the same as always. And again, that is the Netflix and Chill monthly in the newer format there. And then we also have this one here, which I'm going to call Pastel Celestial. This is the November mystery art, and we do sometimes bring mystery art to monthlies if it's like super popular, and this one was. So this one just has two girls on the top with the bedroom scene. You have a gorgeous flat lay, which I love, very like planner girl. This is great for like any month that you just need a kit for. It's not very like, well, even this one, I feel like you could use this for Valentine's, but you could also use it for like an anniversary month or just kind of like a random month. Even kind of has winter vibes. But this one, like I said, you can use anytime, like maybe birthday even, if this is like your vibes. Springtime, September would be cute, winter, like it's just kind of very universal and just really chic and kind of plain. But I feel like if you mix some like hollow foils in with that, it'd be really fun. Then you have the option if you want to add on like it's a bedroom scene. I thought it'd be really cool on the sidebar. And then you have the option if you want to add on the functional. So those are the 2 monthlies. I'm going to try coming out with 2 monthlies a month from now on, like in setting a date for it, just based on like the art that sold the best that month. I think I might start doing, but we'll see. Don't hold me to anything. Then we do have 2 kits this week, because I'm doing the monthlies. I'm just going to do 2. So this one is called Princess Party. So let me go ahead and show you guys this one first. So this is just kind of like a princess birthday themed, super cute, but pretty like generic. It's just like pink and like castles and presents for the most part. So I feel like you could use it for like anyone's birthday. Just like pretty pink in your planner. You have the front page, you have the deco, you have the faux gold sparkles throughout. You have a bunch of different kind of like Disney princess inspired themed cookies on the extra full box, functional, half boxes, headers, little things, ombre heart checklists, and then also the bottom washi, which is really pretty simple. And then the Munchkin freebie is the freebie for this one. Then if you want to add on the 15mm strip, it's a really great contrast there. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which are super cute because they have that like glitter throughout. Which is super pretty, that like gold sprinkle, I guess you could say. You also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There's also the option, these are actually exclusive to SPC from the artist. So this is like a mom or like a teenager. It could even be, it's kind of just a girl, in general, fashion girl, holding gift boxes. So you have those there if you want to add those on. And then you also have just like the princess little girls, which are super cute. So those are all of the add-on options for that kit. So let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. And again, this is called Princess Party. I think it turned out really cute. I love the pink. I love like when kits are like pink and then a foil color, or like purple and a foil color, or just like one color and a foil color. I just think it turns out really, really cute. I just want to write down to make sure I put in the listing of the Galentine glitter. Galentine wiggle. So this is the mini kit version. So the mini kits have 5 pages, and you have the Munchkin head freebie. And both kits this week are an ultimate and mini. Like I say every week, our releases go up Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we do unlimited stock on these sticker collections for 48 hours. So the past 2 weeks, I think the mini kits have been selling out within that 48 hours. So then we do have to like print more after the 48 hours. And then, so if you get the mini kits, definitely pick up in that 48 hours, but sometimes they do last after that. So it just kind of depends. So then this is the next kit here. This is called Egg Hunt. I think this is so pretty. So we have our exclusive Easter kit, which is like totally different than this. It's very like modern, black, white, and then has like a pink and a blue, like kind of sprinkled throughout. And this is kind of like more traditional, but like the colors are just like really Easter eggy. It also comes with, it comes as a mini kit. I've had a long week, y'all. If you can't tell, I'm all over the place. So I'm actually going to be using both in my planner, so I'm really excited about that. I think that this one I'm going to use in March, and then I'm going to use the other one for actual Easter. Just because I think this is super cute, and it does have like obviously Easter vibes, but it's not like in your face like Easter. I mean, I guess it could be, but I think it's like, it's March appropriate. So this is Egg Hunt. I love the colors in this kit. I think it's so pretty. I love this girl. I love her hair, and her eyebrows are really pretty. She's in the tall boxes for the fan boxes. I'm just obsessed with this kit. I just think it's really pretty. You could definitely do like marble multicolor with this. It'd be really nice. You have your deco page. You have your extra full box here, which is the boots and then the little bunny bush. And then you have the functional, the half boxes, the headers, the little things, the ombre heart checklist. This does not have like any type of foil throughout. Like this one has gold. This one doesn't have any like foil color, but I feel like this would look really pretty with gold or silver or mixed metal. And I'm sure there's some wiggles that would look really pretty with this as well. And then you have the bottom washi, which is plaid. It's funny because like this one, I was like, this one I did fur. No, which one did I do first? I don't even remember. But they both, I was like, do I want to do 2 plaid kits, like 2 plaid bottom washis this week? And I was like, yes, please. Yes, please. So I'm just obsessed with plaid. I think it's kind of like moving over from Christmas that I'm obsessed with, like plaid, buffalo check, like all the things. And then this is the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate kit. So you have the like He Is Risen little cross wreath, I guess it is. And then you have a little Easter basket with a little Yankee candle there. So super stinking cute. Cannot wait to use this in March. I think it's really pretty, and it's gonna look so beautiful in my planner. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And then there's also fam boxes. So you do have a tall girl here. You have a little baby with the booty. And then you have another girl here. And then you have 2 sets of kids. So like just by hair, they would be like boys and girls. But obviously like girls can have short hair and boys can have long hair. So you pick your whoever you want to do. And then you can kind of mix and match. So you can do like this one and this one. You could do this one in another kit, and then it'll kind of line up as like a secondary scene. Kirsten texted me when this art came out, and she's like, oh my god, it reminds me of Bubba and Avery from last Easter, because I have a picture of them kind of like this, except for Bubba wasn't holding the Easter basket, I don't think. So that is Fam 1. This is Fam 2. I love this color, like the skin tone with this like colorway. It's so pretty. And you have Fam 3, Fam 4, Fam 5, and Fam 6. And they're always the same fam, so if you always pick up Fam 2, you are Fam 2. So that is everything for this week. Again, we do have Egg Hunt available in an ultimate and a mini kit. I love the colors in this, and based on your guys' like response to the kit, you guys do too. And then there is also Princess Party, which I just think is a good kit to have on hand too, especially if you have kids and you're invited to a lot of birthday parties. This one I think just goes with a lot. Then there is also the Pastel Celestial Monthly, which I think can go for like any month. And I feel like Emily would use it like every month. And then there's also Netflix and Chill. Same thing. I think Emily would use that every month too. And then there is some foil releases. So we have the wedding bucket list. And then we have the wedding attendee bucket list. You have the love quotes, the wedding deco, and then the Galentine wiggles. So that's everything for this week. Again, new releases go up Wednesday at noon Eastern. I hope that you guys like this week's releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.